symbol is the Statue of Liberty, also called Lady Liberty, which is located in New York Harbor. The Statue of Liberty was made in France and shipped to America. It arrived in 1885. Now the Statue of Liberty stands in New York Harbor, welcoming all to the land of freedom and opportunity. Another special symbol to America is the Liberty Bell, also called Old State Bell and Bell of Revolution. The things that the Liberty Bell stands for is the American independence and struggling for freedom. The Liberty Bell weighs 2,000 pounds. It was made in England. Philadelphia paid $300 for it. The last special symbol of America is the American flag. It is a symbol of our country and what makes our country so special. The American flag is one of the most loved symbols. The flag did not always look like it is now. Before, it had 13 stars and 13 stripes. But as the years went on, there became more and more stripes and stars. But it got too big, so the people thought they should make the flag have 12 stripes and 50 stars. Today, the flag stands all over our country with 13 red and white stripes with 50 stars. There are many special symbols of America that are very important to us and our country.
Noah has some seasoned writing for you.